crews throughout Florida. Mike Seidel is in Cedar Key, Florida, north of Tampa. Stephanie Abrams is in North Reddington Beach.
And let's start off with meteorologist Mike Seidel. And Mike, many people spent their Sunday morning stocking up and boarding up. What's been going on this afternoon in Cedar Key?
Yeah, most people are out here trying to enjoy the weather. We have had one gusty thunderstorm move through, kicking up the winds and making it even steamier than it was earlier. It's running in the mid-80s right now. Humidity is about 70%, so it's a pretty steamy Florida afternoon. Most people boarded up for Francis. Take a look. Most of the homes and buildings around here that boarded up about a week ago are leaving their hurricane shutters and keeping those boards, those plywood pieces of plywood up in case Ivan moves into the area. Now, others have been out trying to find supplies, but some of those are finding that the supplies are tight because of the recent hit from Hurricane Francis.
You try to get gasoline, there is none. Everybody's gun shy from the storm. You go in to get groceries a week prior to hearing of a storm and there's nothing on the shelves, so you pretty much have to stock up 5 days prior or else you don't get supplies, and it gets frustrating, it does.
I can understand how they feel. Some of the restaurants around here are not even buying most of their frozen food because they don't want to have to throw it out again like they had to do about a week ago. One of the concerns here is storm surge. The coastline here, the shallow water. As you go out off the coast here, up through the Big Bend into Appalachia Bay, the water doesn't drop off very quickly. The water doesn't increase in depth, so it's very prone to storm surge. And we take you back to March of '93. Remember the superstorm? Now, that was in the wintertime. And look at these storm surges right where we were here at Cedar Key, 9.5 feet. Up at Deco Beach, almost 12 feet. Now, that was with a winter storm, so you can imagine the impact that Ivan could have here. Even with a track well off the coast and west of here through the Gulf, you would still get a storm surge here of 2 to 4 feet. So that's one of the main concerns as we watch Ivan at this point continue to jog west and not north. Let's jog south down to meteorologist Stephanie Abrams on the beach in the Tampa-St. Pete area. Stephanie, we had a thunderstorm here. How about down your way? Any of those typical summertime thunderstorms around?